Start with a magic circle and chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 6 single crochets into this circle. Once you're done, pull up this hook to close the gap. And do not make a slip stitch. We'll be working in continuous rounds. Next round, 2 single crochets into each and every stitch. This is the first stitch. And mark the stitch with a stitch marker. One more single crochet into the same stitch. And continue making 2 single crochets into each and every stitch. At the end of this round, you should have 12 stitches. Now the next 4 rounds, that are number 3, 4, 5 and 6, make 1 single crochet into each and every stitch. Keep marking the stitches, it will be easy to keep a track. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, now make 1 single crochet each into next 6 stitches. This is the first stitch. This will form the heel of the sock. And the last stitch, 6. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, 1 single crochet each into the next 5 stitches. This is the first stitch. Now the next stitch will make a single crochet together stitch. Insert hook into this last stitch and pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook. Now insert hook into the bottom stitch, the base of the stitch, and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next one, we'll repeat the same, 1 single crochet each into the next 5 stitches. This is the first stitch. Now the 6th stitch will make a single crochet together stitch. Insert hook into this stitch, the last stitch, and pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook. Next, insert hook into the base of the stitch, and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, now we'll be making 1 single crochet to each of the stitches. That is total 12 stitches. 6 stitches over here and 6 stitches over here. This is the first stitch. Five, and this is the 6th stitch. Now the next stitch, this is the base stitch and this is the next stitch you'll be working into. This will make the proper heel. Now continue with the stitches. Make 1 single crochet to each and every stitch. Now the next 5 rounds, make 1 single crochet into each and every stitch. This is the first stitch and mark it with a stitch marker. Now continue with the stitches. Total you should have 12 stitches. Now while making the last stitch, change the yarn color to white and you can weave off this yarn. This is how it will look. Now make one more round of 1 single crochet into each and every stitch and take this yarn ends along with the working yarn. And once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Now to make the hanging loop, chain 12 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.